Morning Standard 7 students. In my last video, I have taught you notice, and in my previous videos, I have taught you chapter 3 nouns. Now it is the time to do some exercise from chapter 3 nouns. So here I will give you some exercise to do in your English grammar classwork copy. So let's start. The exercise will be from your book. This exercise is from page 19. You see, practice time is written over there, and fill in the blanks with proper nouns from the box. You see the words given in the box: September, Nile, Tuesday, Vasco da Gama, Pune, Shakespeare, the Bible, Africa, the Pacific, and the last is Japan. So you see here city, month, explorer, river, day, country, poet, continent, ocean, holy book is given. You have to write the words from the box that I have showed you. Again you see the box very carefully. Now from the box you have to write the words what are the given below. Now this is from page 20. Practice time. Complete the common noun in each sentence by adding er, or ar. The first question is given: a person who counsels is a counselor. You see I have written or, means counselor. What is the letter you have to use? That is or. Now second question: a person who waits upon guests in a hotel or a restaurant is a wait blank. You have to add er, or air according to the word. Third question, you see a person who inspects is an inspect. Then you have to use er, or air, which is goes for inspect. Next, a person who collects tickets in the train is called a ticket collect. As usual, you have to do. A person who competes is a compete. You have to use er, or air, which is suitable. A person who teaches us is a teach. A person who acts is an act. A person who lectures at a college or university is a lecturer. Then you have to use the letters. A person who travels is a travel. Then blank is given. You have to add er, or air. A person who begs is a beg. Then you have to use the similarly er, or air, which is suitable. Now this is from page 21. Practice time. You can see the question. Fill in the blanks with collective noun from the box. You see in the box some words are given: collection, battalion, pack, gang, flight, convoy, board, choir, class, team. All these are the collective nouns, and you have to use these collective nouns in the blanks that is given below. See, first one I have done for you: a collection of books. Then 2, a dash of students, a dash of singers. So you have to add the collective nouns from the box. You can see the collective nouns given in the box: a dash of robbers, a dash of footballers, a dash of soldiers, a dash of directors, a dash of stairs, a dash of wolves, a dash of vehicles. This exercise is also from page 21. Fill in the blanks with abstract noun from the box. You see in the box it is given excitement, fun, absence, health, length, happiness, care, honor, anxiety, honesty. Now, the first one I have done for you. We had a lot of fun at the birthday party. So, all these are the given in the box are the abstract nouns. You have to fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. The Home Minister will be in charge during the Prime Minister's dash. You have to add abstract noun from the box. Although he has been ill, he is in good dash now. There was a lot of dash when a mouse was discovered in the classroom. I am not sure of the dash of this cloth. The dash of his employees is important to Dr. Jain. It will be a great dash to represent my country in the meeting. Page 22. 8 question. Arjun took a lot of dash with his work. 9th. All the customers had doubts about the grocer's dash. And the last question, 10th. Mrs. Arya felt some dash when her son did not return home on time. You can see the question. So, you have to fill in the blanks with the abstract noun given in the box. So, in this video, I have given you some exercise to do in your English grammar classwork copy. And I hope you will all do the exercise. So, stay with me for the next video where I am going to teach you more. Have a nice day. Thank you.